Ventricular ectopics or ventricular premature complexes occurring as couplets indicate higher arrhythmogenic potential. This ECG shows several isolated ventricular ectopic beats and a single couplet towards the end of the tracing. Initially, they are seen in a bigeminal rhythm marked by blue arrows. The ventricular couplet is marked by two yellow arrows. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon after that for all updates. Couplets indicate a higher potential for arrhythmia than isolated ventricular ectopic beats. If three ventricular ectopic beats occur in a sequence at a rate above 100 per minute, it is called a salvo or a short run of non-sustained ventricular tachycardia. Upright QRS in V1 resembling a right bundle branch block and a slurred S wave in V6 are suggestive of left ventricular origin of the ventricular ectopic beat. Ventricular ectopics are identified by wide Bischeret QRS complexes and STT changes, that is, ST segment and T wave opposite in polarity to the dominant QRS deflection. Ventricular premature complexes are not usually preceded by a P wave. Sometimes a ventricular ectopic beat occurs just after a usual sinus P wave. Then they are called late diastolic ventricular ectopics, and they come in the differential diagnosis of intermittent pre-excitation or WPW syndrome. Alternate possibility which must be thought of when there are intermittent premature beats with right bundle branch block pattern is supraventricular ectopy with aberrant conduction. In the ECG shown initially, couplets have been captured in leads V4 to V6 and in the lead 2 rhythm strip. Other leads have captured isolated ventricular ectopic beats. Mild ST segment depression is seen in certain sinus beats in lead 1 and 2. Commonly, benign ventricular ectopics originate from the right ventricular outflow tract, while left ventricular ectopy is often associated with structural heart disease. Here is another ECG showing isolated VPCs marked by blue arrows and a VPC couplet marked by red arrows. VPCs are followed by a compensatory pause. This is a monitor screenshot showing ventricular premature complexes in couplet with no sinus bit in between, marked by red arrows. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.